What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tia. You can call me Tia or Sunny, whichever one you like, and I am back with another video in this ting. So today I'm going to show you guys how I finesse drugstore makeup. Now, you guys know drugstore makeup can be a little bit tricky, so I hope you guys are paying attention and tuned with what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? And tuned. Watch me. You know, I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys learned something from it, some tips and tricks that I show you guys in this video. So without further ado, let's just get on to the get down. Now, firstly, we are going to try the Covergirl new TruBlend Base Business. Ooh, okay. This is a skin primer. I think these are new. I'm not sure, 100% sure. Okay, so it actually is new. I just looked it up. I don't see it anywhere on the internet. So that's what I'm going to use today. So I'm going to take the smoothing primer by Covergirl first, and then I'll go in with the illuminating because I'm not going to highlight today. I'm just going to give like a nice natural type of look where it's like I'm radiant. I'm not like you see highlight on my face. And you know what I love about this primer is that it feels like lotion. I hate skin smoothing primers or pore refining primers that feel like silicone. My skin does not like silicone. Like, it rejects it. I mean, it can have some silicone in it, but just not too much. You know what I mean? Where like 95% of it is silicone and the other part is not. You know, we're not trying to be fake out here. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? My face has a nice smooth texture and it feels plump to the touch. Love when my face feels like that. I always know that my skin is going to look real nice after I put my, you know, foundation on and stuff. So this is definitely a nice primer. I'll be taking this with me actually. So now I'm going to use the illuminating primer, and I'm literally just going to use this where I need to glow. So like my forehead, even though I don't like to glow on my forehead. All right, so definitely after that, I'm looking in the viewfinder too. But definitely after that, my skin looks glowy. Like, you see that? Nice little glow. Y'all, I'm so freaking excited. Covergirl is coming out with some matte foundations. No, this is not sponsored by Covergirl at all. I mean, if Covergirl wants to hit me up and be like, hey, want to sponsor y'all, you know, I wouldn't say no. I have 3 of their foundations here that I think I feel like I'm more so, this is T15, but I'm going to swatch them on my face to see which one is going to be my color. All right, so this is M70. I'm going to put this right here. And the freaking coverage, just look at that. That's definitely not my shade, but look at the coverage. All right, so now I'm going to take T15. So this one is T60. Okay, now this is T50. Now I feel like that is my shade. Like, you can't even see it. Or is it just me? Am I just tripping? I'm going to take T30. This is Warm Honey. And just squirt this a little bit all over my face. I already know by the swatches I did that this foundation has so much coverage. And I'm going to use the Sigma Round Blended, wait, no. This is the Sigma Round Kabuki Brush F82. And let's just go ahead and blend that out. Overall, it's blending out pretty good. I don't have any complaints about how it's blending out. The consistency of this foundation though, it reminds me of the Milani foundation. I forgot what it was called, but it's the Milani foundation. That's what it reminds me of. Like, it's kind of sticky, which I do not necessarily like sticky foundations. I like more liquidy foundations. All right, I'm gonna take T15 and just go on top. So this is gonna give me some color back. I don't know, maybe once it oxidizes it'll look better, but right now it does not look too good. Like, I usually go over my foundations with a sponge so that it can like blend in and seep into my skin. But with this foundation, it was not having it. The sponge was actually taking away the foundation. So I'm taking some of Golden Honey and putting it on the areas where I need more coverage. And that's under my eyes, my forehead, and a little bit on my cheeks. And then I want to take the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow concealer, put a little bit under my eyes, my forehead, you know, to highlight. So I'm gonna blend out this area first, my cheeks first, because I feel like they need some more coverage. Okay, it's definitely buildable. Definitely buildable. Like, that looks pretty good, right? But I'm gonna go in and blend out my highlighting areas. Get those together or whatever. It matches pretty well to me. But I did have to mix it a little bit, so that is a bummer. But I've just come to the realization that I'm always gonna have to mix my foundations. Like, my skin tone is very rare, I guess. It's not common. I'm not basic, I'm not basic. Now I wanna take my black Radiance. This is the contour palette in light to medium. And I'm gonna take the shade Contour. And whoa, I almost dropped it. I'm so clumsy, I can never just not drop anything. I'm gonna take the shade Contour and just contour out my nose. Oh, and also I did use a setting powder, but it wasn't Drugstore, so I'm not including it. But I did set my face. I used the Sacha Buttercup setting powder mixed with the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Under Eye Setting Powder. I absolutely love them two together. I don't know any good setting powders for, you know, Drugstore. So let me know a good Drugstore setting powder if you know one. And I do have combination skin, just to let you know. And I'm gonna just blend this out a little bit. I always go in heavy first, and then I come back and just blend it out. And then I'm gonna contour my face just a little, just a wee bit. And then I'll just go in with my, what is it? This is the brush that I use to wipe away my setting powder. So I'm gonna just try to tone it down a little bit, blend it out some more. Just make sure everything is blended together. So I feel like that's it's too orange or something. So I'm gonna take my Beige Cosmetics contour palette and I'm gonna take this shade over here because it's a little bit more cool tone. So moving on to my brows, I'm gonna use the Covergirl. Oh, I know this is the shade 710, but I'll leave everything in the description box below. But I'm gonna take this Covergirl brow pomade and I'm gonna sculpt out my brows. It comes with a little, you know, what is this, a brush? But I mean, whose fingers are this small? This is for a little kid. I'm not a little kid. How am I gonna hold this? I can't. So I'm not gonna use that. I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills, what is it called? Dual eyebrow brush. Yes. Okay, anyway, so I'm gonna take the Katty Kat palette. This is in collaboration with Katy Perry. It's really cute. So this one is the shade Hot Cat or Cat Shades. I don't know how to say that, but it will be in the description box below for you guys. So I just got this new Morphe brush. This is a Morphe M505, and I'm gonna take this shade right here. And I'm gonna put that just all over my eyes. Ooh, that's a nice shade. Oh, hold on. I can't be having the hiccups. You guys see how it doesn't look as blended as, you know, a shadow should be. So just keep breaking it in there without anything on the brush now. without anything on the brush, just like circular motions and just swiping it back and forth will help to blend it out. And you can take a little bit more of it just to go over top. If it's like a harsh line, just take a little bit of it, pack that on there, and just go right over top of that. So I wanted my eye to look like this, not like this. So I'm gonna take my powder brush and just go over top of it, honestly. And then I'm gonna take some of my foundation and stuff and just dab over it. Now I'm gonna take the shade next to it. It's like a brown color, and I'm gonna put that on the outer corner and just pat that right there. Pat that on the other side. But let me take some of those two shades together. I'm gonna just run this under my eye, like waterline or whatever. I wish I was both handed. A little trick that I do, since I have like under eye bags, is I always put eyeshadow under my eyes because this kind of disguises it. All right, so you see the difference, like this eye and that eye? This one looks like it's not, like I don't have eyeshadow bags, it just looks like I smoked out my under eye. It's a trick. I'm tricking you guys. All right, so if you don't have an eyeliner, what you could do is use your pomade or your brow pencil, or you can use your lip liner. I used to do this all the time because I never had a good eyeliner. So brow pomades and stuff, they'll work really well because they're not going to move on your eye or budge or anything. So you know they're not going to move in your eye. So I'm just taking some of the pomade that I use by Covergirl, and I'm going to put this right here. So I'm gonna line my eyes now. I'm gonna do a very, very thin line because this is gonna be like a natural look. So if you wanna create a thin line, if you're just starting off, you can just tap it like this. This is how it looks without lashes on, but I like a good lash, so I'm gonna take my lashes and apply some lashes, and I'll be back. So to clean up your eyeliner, if you want to clean up your eyeliner, what I do is take a little bit of my foundation and I just run it along there, and then lightly tap that and blend it out. Then I'll take my setting powder. I'm gonna take it on that same little brush that I use and just tap that along there. And then I'm gonna take some more of that mauve color and just blend that out. So now I'm gonna take this highlight shade, boop, right there, and just highlight my nose just a little bit. Not like too much though. And when you highlight your brow bone, you kind of get the chance to blend out that what is it called, eyeshadow that's going up into your brow bone. All right, so to finish off my face, what I do is I'm gonna take this Covergirl Lock It Up, what says look lock up, I'm lock it up because I have to lock in my face. And I'm gonna spray my face. So the same brush I use for powder, I'm gonna just go in and make sure everything is blended. And then I'm gonna create some beauty marks. I do have real beauty marks, so I'm just gonna recreate those. I have one right here. If you don't have a lip liner, you can use one of your liquid lipsticks and it will last all day. So now I'm gonna take the Covergirl Queen collection because we some queens out here. I remember I used to say, and don't forget to wear your crown because we are all queens and kings. Something like that. I used to say it back in my old videos that I don't even know are still up anymore. But I'm gonna take this Covergirl Queen collection shade. It's in Catwalk. And I'm gonna put this in the center of my lips. Alright you guys, so that is the end of this video. That is what I do to finesse my drugstore makeup. I hope you guys learned some new things on what to do, you know. I hope so. If you did, let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like these type of videos and you want to see more of them, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out the description box for all the products I used in this video. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at naturally.sunny. And while you're here, you might as well subscribe if you're new. So go ahead and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel. I love you guys so freaking much. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I'm a little ashy. Ooh, I'm very ashy. Lord.